Alright guys, we got a 2015 Honda Civic LX with 38,000 miles on it. It's a certified unit. It's a clean Carfax, one owner. It's alabaster silver metallic. I'll go ahead and give you the walk around of the vehicle. We'll make our way down the driver's side here. Everything looks really good. No problems on the driver's side. Make our way across the rear of the vehicle. It is equipped with backup camera as well. Alright, passenger side looks really good. New set of tires on it down there. So overall this thing's in really good shape. Alright, it's got 37,000 miles on it. We're going to take a look on the inside. Alright, door panels are in good shape. Got the two-tone door panel, got the black and gray, the nice cloth insert there. Cloth driver's seat. Everything looks good with the cloth there. No problems. Does come with two key fobs. Passenger seat leather is in awesome shape. No problem at all. Everything looks good there. Automatic. Does have an auxiliary and power outlet there. Climate control area. CD player. Okay, it does come with the steering wheel audio controls, and it is equipped with Bluetooth. Go ahead and get a shot of your mileage. You got 37,941 miles, and I'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. Alright, there you go, the backup camera. Alright, have the air conditioner running now for about 10 minutes. Everything's blowing nice and cold there, no issues. Alright, backseat door panel's in great shape. Go ahead and check out the cloth back here. No issues whatsoever with the cloth. Everything looks really good. It's in fantastic shape. Alright, I'll go ahead and stick my head back in here. Give you kind of the driver's eye view of the vehicle. Okay, let you see the layout there. Alright, let's go ahead and step out here and let you see your trunk space. Your storage area. Alright, as you can see, the carpet is in great shape. Go ahead and step to the side a little bit so you can see the depth. Plenty of room back there. Alright, plenty of room for your luggage, golf bag, whatever. Everything looks good back there. Go ahead and take a look at your passenger front seat. Okay, everything looks really good with the cloth here. No problems at all. Alright, door panel's in good shape as well. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at your wheels and tires. Alright, 15-inch steel wheels on here. Alright, it's a brand new set of tires. You can see the sticker still on them. Alright, but you can see the depth and the tread right there. Brand new set of tires. Alright guys, once again, it's a 2015 Honda Civic LX. It's a certified unit, clean Carfax, one owner. Alright, it's got 37,900 miles on it. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.